I realize that I have a fitting at 3 o'clock, and if I'm late, I'm gonna be like... Grazie. I got here this morning. I got here at 10 o'clock, and it's only, I just had time to take a shower, and it's already like this. And later on, what I'm going to do is I'm going to hang all this that you see, because I'm a Virgo, so I have to have all my clothes. Even if I'm in Milan for like 2 or 3 days, I have to hang everything. Look, it's always a mess in my... I bring my little music, like in case, you know, like that, I put my Discman and I keep listening, taking a shower and listening to some music. I have all my friends and my family here, you know, grandfather, cousin. That's my sister, other sister, and those are me when I was like 14 or something. So, whoa, what time is it? It's 2:45. Okay, I realized that I have a fitting at 3 o'clock, and if I'm late, I'm gonna be like...